Wait a minute! Where is my knife? Want to make one of the easiest and most delicious onion soup together. Take the onion skin calmly and with a sharp knife, cut it into slices like me. Slice the garlic as well. And finally, cut the lemon. We are done with cutting board and knife. Add the butter and onion to the pot and start cooking.
Hey, collect your mess.
Okay, take it easy. Let the onion juice evaporate well. Notice, onions should be soft and smooth, not brown. Add garlic, lime or lemon, fresh thyme, dried white vermouth, bay leaf and chicken stock to it, and let them cook together for 15 minutes with the door open. Remove the thyme and bay leaf from the pot and pour the soup mixture into the mixer. After mixing, transfer back to the pot. Add heavy cream to it and enjoy the combination of their smells. Finally, add salt, pepper and dried basil. Let it cook for another 15 minutes with medium heat and thicken. Do you know any soup easier than this? Me neither. Now that the weather is cold, nutritious soups are the best way to prevent illness and of course enjoy their taste. Garnish with anything you like. I served with onions, spring onions or chives and chili oil. If you want to know chili oil recipe, watch suggested video. Love you all. Unbelievable.